So if you have the line on your Galaxy S21 FE, there's good news. Look at this article over here. We're going to get into this article in this video. So the last video I made on the Galaxy S21 FE line issue received a lot of comments, and I'm going to compile all of those comments in this video and help you out with this problem. So watch the entire video. Number one, this issue is happening on the Exynos variant, the Exynos 2100. It's also happening on the Snapdragon 888 variant. Now the 888 variant released in India later. So if you've bought that variant, this issue might happen to you later. Because I bought the Exynos variant, it took about 1 year, 3 months for this issue to happen to my phone. So there's a possibility that when this issue does happen to your phone, the screen replacement policy will be over. So just be careful when you're updating your phone, take a video before and after the update, and that should suffice as proof that look, you can tell Samsung that there is no water damage, there is no physical damage. That's another thing that people are mentioning in the comments, that Samsung is writing off this warranty issue by saying that water damage hai, physical damage hai, and all of that. So just be careful, take videos. I think it should be fine. Another thing, it's happening to a lot of M series phones. A lot of people having M series are, mentioning this in the comments. It's happening to the S20, the S22 even. And I'm not surprised. A lot of brands, other brands like OnePlus, iPhone have faced this issue. So it's a widespread issue. People are aware about it, but they don't know the fix as of now. So just get the screen replaced. Also, people are saying that Samsung is saying that, the service center, is saying that leave the phone here for a day or whatever. I would strongly suggest go to the service center. If they do not have the part, wait for the part, because the screen replacement doesn't take more than 1 hour of actual work. In my experience, it took 20 minutes for the engineer to open the phone, change the screen, and it took another 30 minutes to stick the backplate back. It doesn't take more than 1 hour. Max to max, chalo, 2 ghanta. Okay? So don't leave your phone there and all of that. I mean, it's up to you, but this is my recommendation based on the comments that I've been reading. That is all for this video. I will see you all in the next one. If you have any more questions, put them out in the comments. I am replying to all comments regarding this problem. So please put it down in the comments. Till then, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. I'll see you all in the next one.